Anambra State, Mamma, maybe Mamma, Biafra as a whole, the road. When they shall do, and they shall come at over the content shall the opportunity in Anambra State. As to see Soludo soon, my papa. I have one thing. I don't can't tell me. I call the Yajin, my papa. I don't know. I actually am Yajin, my papa. I hope going to go. I saw the key bell. And I'm even there. I want to win on a navy or violence or Anambra State and Biafran land entirely.
Onisha,
everywhere they want to go, AVG, NCC, Mando to Obara, Mando to Banama, Umudim,
Gonade,
in Chanine, one of my brother. We have the Afghan government. But I want to say, if you're not on a ECG here, Waja, we take with table in a different land. You are a gunner. Camera didn't hook up or I want a camera didn't hook up or didn't who on a street, open camera can they? Wahameku camera didn't match up with us. Camera didn't hook up or now been a street. Whoopie. I did the workshop, Uzu Kanko, about her.
So, need I say anything more? Need I say anything further? The Utobo, the funniest part is that we have a generation of Igbo where a faceless idiot will be issuing threats and people will be panicking. The fact that he's hiding his face shows you that he's afraid. He fears for his life. If not that we exposed Gentle as the voice behind the buying of those army couple and their family members, he would not have shown his face. Prior to that, he was always hiding his face. So all these ones, to show you that they are hiding their faces, and the reason they are still thriving is because no one has actually gone after them. See, all these nonsense threats they are issuing shouldn't surprise you. Okay, after all the noise, you saw the reaction from the traders and how happy they are that they are back to the factory setting, which is Monday trading. So this one now go they frighten people. And I expect Governor Soludo to do the exact thing he's warning people not to do. Please, market leaders, traders, have cameras everywhere in your streets. You cannot be giving an inch to a bastard, a coward. If you give an inch, they will demand 10. You give 10, they will demand 100. You give 100, they will demand 1,000. It will be progressing. So, you decided to sit down for a day. Before you knew it, it became a weekly thing. Sometimes when they feel like they will say 5 days. And all those things were happening because you allowed it. The governors allowed it. The political class allowed it. But look at what. So where their threats there now? Nothing. We should always shame them. Always treat them with the disdain they deserve. Always treat them as the dirty, wet rats they are. And they won't try it again.